Hi lovely children and cutie pies. Today's class is about A to Z. A for apple. A for aeroplane, apple, ant. B for ball, bat, bus. C for cat, cow, car. D for dog, duck, deer. E for egg, earth, elephant. F for fish, frog, flower. G for goat, grass, gun. H for hen, hammer, house. I for ice cream, ice, ink. J for jacket, jug, jellyfish. K for kite, knife, kettle. LL for lip, lion, lamp. MM for mango, monkey, moon. NN for nest, nurse, 9. O for onion, orange, octopus. PP for parrot, pumpkin, pineapple. QQ for queen, quiet, question. R for rose, rat, rabbit. SS for sun, star, sunflower. TT for tree, tap, tiger. UU for uniform, umbrella, unicorn. VV for vase, van, vegetables. WW for watch, whale, watermelon. XX for X-ray, Xmas tree, xylophone. YY for yacht, yak, yarn. ZZ for zebra, zip, zoo. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.